Hello, in front of me I've got Mitsubishi Grandis. In this video I'll show you how to manage automatic transmission. To manage automatic transmission of your car, take a look in the center of it. Right here we've got the transmission knob. Press brake and now you can push the lever downwards for drive, upwards for reverse, and slightly downwards or upwards with hold for neutral. To select parking, press P. You can see your current transmission mode in the top left corner of the cluster. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.